Assalamualaikum and very good day to all. Welcome to our class. So for today, our topic will be on one of the design pattern example, which is facade. Okay, class. As for today, we are covering an example of facade. Okay, what is facade? In a easier way to be explained is, let's say we see on the example on the left, which is this one. Okay, this is actually a very complex system in which you have multiple clients with a system that has a complex modules. So each client has has to interact with different modules. So as you can see, for let's say client A, it interacts with this module and also this module. For client B here, which is in the center one, okay, this interacts with the same module here but extends to another new module. And then client C, which is on the right, interacts with this new module, in which is also being interacted by the first module, and also it has another interaction with another new module. So therefore, this is actually the complex behavior of the system. So in order to solve all this complexity, we introduce facade. So basically, if you see here, facade is actually an intermediate layer in which it connects between the clients and then the system. So in which the client doesn't know to whom or to which module is being interacted, but rather they communicate with the intermediate or middleware named facade, and then facade will be the middleware that connects between the client and also the complex system here. So these complex modules will transfer its information to the intermediate layer, and this intermediate layer will display the output to the clients. So this is how it solves the complex system module communication. So class, another example, a working example. Let's say we have a student information system. We have a student information system that provides access functions to what are students enrolled in a given course, and then what course student is enrolled in, and also what course is being held. And then these elements are being implemented through three classes, which are courses, which has the courses information on the course enrollments, students, who has in this class we have the information on the students' courses, and facilities as a class in which the location of courses has been indicated here. So based on the modules given, okay, mentioned previously, so we have client that uses these three classes, which are courses, student, and facilities. This is on the normal terms of software development, in which the client directly interacts with these three classes. So what happens if facade is being implemented? So facade, as we know, is a middleware that interacts between client and also the modules or classes. Therefore, we add a middleware, we can say a system, we can say as an interface that becomes the intermediate between the client and also the classes. Therefore, it solves the problem between client being interacting with three different classes. But here, when the middleware comes in, it becomes the intermediate. Therefore, the client uses the interface or the system that interacts with these classes. So the client doesn't know what happens at the back, but the intermediate layer helps the client by processing the client's request through these three classes. So that's all for the topic today. I hope you had a good understanding on the examples that has been given. Hope to see you soon in our next class. Thank you.